Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Ready to bridge the gap between e-commerce and stunning website design? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to seamlessly integrate Shopify with Squarespace. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring your Shopify store's functionality right into your Squarespace site. It's a game changer for anyone looking to create a unified professional online presence. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to Shopify. You want to copy your Shopify domain URL. And if you've never done this before, don't worry. It's super straightforward. Think of the Shopify domain as the digital street address for your store. It's what tells Squarespace where to find your e-commerce environment. Once you're logged into Shopify, look for your store's main domain in the admin dashboard. If you have multiple domains, or if you've added custom ones, double-check that you're grabbing the right one, usually ending in myshopify.com, or your custom domain. Just highlight it and hit copy. That's your key to unlocking integration. Now, let's move over to Squarespace. With your Shopify domain safely copied to your clipboard, log into your Squarespace site. This is where you'll connect everything. On your Squarespace dashboard, start by clicking on Settings. If you're new to Squarespace, don't worry about making a mistake. You can always backtrack if needed. Take your time to find the Settings option, usually tucked away on the left sidebar. Once you're in Settings, look for the Domain and Email section. This helps Squarespace manage your website's address and any connected services. Click into Domain. Here's where you'll tell Squarespace about your Shopify store. You'll see an option called Use a Domain I Own. This is exactly what you want because you're bringing in an outside domain, not picking one from Squarespace's preset choices. Go ahead and select Use a Domain I Own. When prompted, paste the Shopify domain URL you copied earlier. Think of this step as introducing your two platforms to each other for the first time. It can feel nerve-wracking if you've never linked domains before, but as long as you've copied the correct URL, you're good to go. After you paste the domain, hit Enter. Squarespace will process the information. It might take a moment, so be patient here. You'll see a Connect Domain option pop up. This is your green light to move forward. Click Connect Domain. At this point, Squarespace may ask you to confirm if you'd like to continue. It's kind of like making sure you really want to move into a new house before signing the final paperwork. Confirm your choice to continue, and your two platforms will begin syncing up. And that's really all there is to it. By finishing these steps, you've effectively linked your Shopify store to your Squarespace site, allowing for smoother management and a more cohesive experience for your users. Keep in mind, the integration process might take a little while to update across both platforms, but if you follow the steps carefully, you should see everything come together smoothly. If you ran into any hiccups or the options looked a little different on your screen, don't stress. It's not uncommon for platforms to tweak their interfaces. Just take a breath and double-check each step, or let me know in the comments if you need personalized help. Thanks so much for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like. And if you have any questions or your experience was a bit different, leave a comment below so I or someone else in the community can help out. And of course, if you want more clear and actionable tech tutorials, be sure to subscribe for more content like this. Good luck with your integration, and I'll see you in the next video.